Afsan Farm Kitchen, your cozy corner for delicious, healthy Mediterranean recipes made simple. Here we bring the vibrant flavors of the Mediterranean right to your home kitchen, using fresh, wholesome ingredients that nourish both body and soul. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned cook, our easy-to-follow recipes will inspire you to create meals full of color, taste, and tradition. Join us as we explore everything from zesty salads and hearty stews to fragrant herbs and delightful desserts, all crafted with love and the warmth of Mediterranean hospitality. Let's cook, share, and enjoy the taste of sunshine together at Afsan Farm Kitchen.
Koobideh, a type of Middle Eastern kebab, is made with ground beef formed into cylinders and fried over skewers. Give your beef at least 20% fat. Combine the ingredients well to create the myosin in the flesh. Make use of a food processor or hand mixer to keep the fat from melting. Use caution when handling the meat, and moisten your hands with cold water. The kebabs should be refrigerated for at least 2 hours before being cooked. Knead the meat and remaining ingredients to produce a sticky paste that sticks to the skewer for up to 10 minutes. Koobideh kebabs are usually cooked over an open flame without a grill grate to prevent the meat from sticking.
Where the sun shines bright, there's an orange orchard, a pure golden sight. Rows of trees basking in the morning glow, filled with citrus treasures, ready to bestow.
One of the best meats for making koobideh kebab is sirloin. Sirloin is quite tender from top to tip, lean, and moderately priced. It does not require an extended marinade. It is also appropriate for a diet that is balanced. For beef kebabs, flat iron steak and tenderloin make great substitutes. Serve with lemon wedges, cooked basmati rice, tzatziki sauce, toum, and onion relish.